Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So what am I catching up on today? A Stitch Fix. I do have a couple of these and I don't remember. So let's see what's in this one. They do send a preview of 10 items. So you get to pick from those 10 items what you want to keep. You can keep 1 to 5 of them, or you can just send it back and they will either send you another 10 to pick from, or you can have the stylist pick for you. Most people get the stylist pass, which is $49 a year, and then you don't have to pay that annoying $20 every time you get a Stitch box. So let's see what's in it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you like me and my video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, I so appreciate your loyalty, and I've made so many great friends on YouTube, and I'm glad I'm back to pick up on those relationships. So this one looks very small, and I know we're going into the fall season, but it's still kind of warm here for me in Arizona. So I did request some shorts and some short sleeve tops. So this is my bundle. And then it looks like they sent some jewelry. And they do send a stylist note, and I've been having Susie for, gosh, a year or two, and she does pretty good for me. Oh, there's the stylist note. Let's see if I still have Susie. I usually read the notes in private. Yep, I got Susie. And this is Fix number 108. So I have received quite a few fixes. So let's see what's in the jewelry. I have been known to buy a piece or two. I don't really wear a lot of jewelry because it gets so hot here. And unless I'm going somewhere, I really don't put on the jewelry. But these earrings look really nice. They're very lightweight, which is what I will wear if I do wear jewelry. So I kind of like those. I'm a silver wearer, so they do have a little mixture. And with going on vacation, they might not be bad. Now, we're leaving on the 24th of October. So I waited long as possible to get my hair done and my nails done. So please forgive both. So I kind of like the earrings. I probably won't try them on in case I don't keep them. And then let's see what we have in our bundle. Now, I know I requested the shorts and they were on sale. It's great that Stitch Fix is starting to put clothes on sale because they are a little pricey. I mean, they're good quality, but they're still pricey. And I noticed they are going on sale. And I did pick out this first t-shirt. It is the Market and Spruce. It's a size large, and it's just a plain t-shirt, but their t-shirts are so comfortable. You just can kind of throw them on and walk out of the house. So I thought this was cute. And this is the Hannah V-neck pocket knit tee. And I think I have bought others with sorry about that, with different patterns. But I thought it was cute. So I did pick this one out. And the next one, which I did not pick out, is Mason and Bell. And this is the Landon flutter sleeve top. The material is definitely not my style. It's like, what do you call that, gauzy? And it's just not my pattern. It's not my style. I will try it on, but I know I'm not gonna keep it. And this next one, I think I have it in every color. It's Fortune and Ivy, and it's in teal green, and it's Leighton short sleeve. And I know I have it in like black and blue, and I think I even have it in a pattern print. But I'm not crazy about the material. I think I kept it to get the buy all discount. So I know I'm not gonna keep this because I don't even reach for the ones I have. I think maybe one of them might still have a tag on it, so yeah. And then the last thing, I was just saying, is this all there is to it? The last thing that I got, and these were on sale, are the 1822 denim. And they're just a plain pair of shorts, and they have the buttons over here. So I thought those were different, and they're a high rise. So, you know, for the old lady here, I just thought they would be nice. And they're the olive high rise sailor button short in a size 8. And I'll go over prices when I try them on, but I just thought they were different. So that's it, and I'll be right back with the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the first try-on, and I'm wearing the 1822 olive high-rise sailor button denim shorts, along with, let me figure this one out. This is the Market and Spruce Hannah V-neck pocket, and they're calling this color gray in the large. So I like the top, it's very comfortable. Let me push you back here, otherwise I'm walking in the palm trees. Let's see if this will work. So this is the top, and I really do like the V-neck. This material is very comfortable. Turn around, I'm being attacked by a palm tree. And these are the shorts. I mean, they're high rise. They're a bit different for me. I like and I like the length. I'll try to put you down here without tipping over. So I do like the length on the shorts. And the price of the top, I believe, was $30. And the shorts are the shorts are $33.97 on sale. So if I kept all 5 pieces, that would be a terrific price. So I'll be right back with the next couple. Okay, I am back with the Fortune and Ivy lightened short sleeve zip, and this is in the teal green in a large, and this is $38. Now, I'm not crazy about it. As I said, I have this top in like 2 or 3 other colors. It's just the material is kind of clingy. I do like the zipper and the details here, but I wish it was more of a t-shirt style. So I'll turn around. It's just, as I said, I haven't worn the other ones like this, so it's just not something I would throw on and wear out here in Arizona. You know, maybe on vacation or something, but it's just not something I will reach for. So I'll be right back with that last top. Okay, I'm back with this last top, which I knew I wouldn't like. I don't like the gauzy, I don't like the pattern. It's comfortable, but it's not something I would reach for. And this is the Mason & Bell Landon Flutter Sleeve Top, and they're calling it light green, and this is a large. And this is $44. One of the things is I think it's too short here, so I don't like that. I'd probably be constantly pulling it down. You know, this feature isn't bad. I'm not really crazy about the sleeves. I think they make my arms look bad. But it's just, again, not something I would reach for. So it's comfortable enough, but again, with the selections out there, I think I can find something better, especially for that price. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I'm back with the recap. What did you think of that fix? I didn't like it. I mean, I know I selected the 2 pieces. Actually, my favorite was the earrings. And the earrings were, which were the earrings? Those were $28, and I kind of like the earrings. I haven't tried them on because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep them. So the total stylist picks were $173.97. So that was for 5 pieces. And then if you kept everything, you get the $43.49 credit. So if I kept everything in this box, it would have been $130.48. I have never had a fix that would have been that amount of money without any discounts. And the shipping, of course, was free. So it would have been $130 if I kept everything. I wish I loved everything, but I don't. So I don't know what to do. I'm thinking of sending it all back because I wasn't crazy about any of the things, where I just loved them. And of course, I have so many shorts, and I kind of like the t-shirt, but it's $30 just for a simple t-shirt that I can get anywhere for probably 15 or 20. And I really liked the earrings, but they were $28. So I don't know, is $28 normal to spend on a pair of earrings that, I don't know, they're light, but they're heavy because of the gold on them. So I don't know. I'm gonna need your help. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of this fix. And don't forget to give it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. And you guys have an awesome day.